Well, hello YouTube and Facebook friends. This is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we're going to make another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to do a blueberry-pecan quinoa. Okay, let's take a look at our ingredients. First, we've got some quinoa. Now, I'm using a tricolor quinoa. It's black, red, and white, but you can use any quinoa you want. We have some water. I have some dried blueberries, but if you'd like, you can use fresh blueberries. It's up to you. I also have some pecans, and I've just chopped these pecans up, a little maple syrup, some Himalayan pink salt, and I also have some plant-based milk. This is a coconut milk, but you can use any one you'd like, just for creaminess. Okay, so this is a nice, easy recipe because everything goes in the pot. We're gonna start by boiling some water. And I'm just gonna add a bit of salt. And we're gonna let this bring this to a boil. All right, once our water is boiling, I'm just gonna add our quinoa. I'm gonna cover this, and I'm just gonna turn it to medium low, and just to bring it to a simmer to cook for about 20 to 22 minutes or so. And that'll break the quinoa nice and soft, and you'll actually see the quinoa become a little translucent. Then you know it's done. Okay, once our quinoa is done, you'll see it's nice and tender and actually a little fluffy. We're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So we've got our pecans, our blueberries, and our sweetener. Today, I'm using maple syrup. You know, there's something nice about pecans, blueberries, and maple syrup together. It's a great combination. So I'm gonna mix this up. And then, if you'd like a creamier texture, you can add a quarter to a half cup of your favorite plant-based milk. Today, I'm using just some coconut milk. And there you have it, blueberry-pecan quinoa. All right, the best part of the recipe is to give it a try. What I love about this recipe, it's the right amount of crunch, it's got some creaminess, it's got some sweetness. Altogether, it's just delicious. The nice thing about quinoa is that it's high protein, so you will have tons and tons of energy for the day. Well, friends, our time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health, where you'll find tons of health videos, or our Facebook page, Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Thanks and happy cooking.